The goal of this project is to see how carbon fluxes act throughout different areas of LA.
Cities are huge emitters of CO2, and a lot of that is transportation. So we need to also understand whether changing driving habits, is really impacting CO2 the way we hope it is. And then secondly, it's really to understand sort of an environmental justice equity issue does where you live matter as far as air quality goes? And is that fair? And is there anything we can do about that? They're picking up the amount of CO2 that's in the air and recording that every few seconds and logging that. And then we send all that log data as well as all the pollutant data to a website in Berkeley, and we access basically that data in real time.